who has question, who want to ask any question? Yes.
Самдарша, расскажи, пожалуйста, о материнстве и о приходе новой жизни в этот мир.
Could you say about motherhood, about bringing new life?
For women, very good to give birth or some creation. When woman giving any birth, any child, she become fulfilled inside. She feel very satisfied. Something happened for whatever she came. Her motherhood become fulfilled. Therefore, when giving sannyas to man and woman, change the name, and before name to man say Swami. Swami means owner. You have to be owner of yourself. You have to get your own yourself. And to woman giving name before Ma. Ma means mother. This is in woman's nature, to be a mother. And man nature to be a owner. Owner of his mind. Because he has big problem with his mind. In man, mind is so strong. So as he go inside, his awareness coming, as awareness come, mind going less, mind going away. And this awareness is owner, your nature. And man feels satisfied when he sit and very quiet, very silent. His mind totally stopped. He feel rest. Now I reached. Now I got. He came back in his nature. He feel very satisfied. And woman feels satisfied when she become mother. Because she is mostly heart, living in heart. And heart want to give. Heart want to creation something. So then when woman has give birth, her motherhood, she become the mother. So this is normal in general. In all women in world, they go like this. But if any, it means I saying every woman should be give birth to baby, give birth child, then she become fulfilled. Yes, it will happen like this. But one way more, if you interested in other inside, inner journey, when you go inside, you also give birth. Not baby, not child, not human being. When you meditation, looking inside, your energy go inside, also creation is happening. And this creation is existence. Existence coming, want come through you. want come out from you. God want to come out from you. When you go inside, you create the God. When you giving normal birth, child, girl or boy, 9 months you keeping inside, and big pain, many times pain happened. As this baby become bigger, more pain. You have to be more alert, more aware, what you have to eat, what you have to work. Because you keeping someone. Somebody want to come out from you in this world, looking inward. But in inner journey, also you keeping, you make creation. You giving birth. And this birth is yourself. You born you again. One birth you have with parents. Parents giving you birth, this body. But when you go inside, inner journey, it means you want to give birth to yourself, to real you are, who you are. When you go meditation, as you become more aware, more alert, as you go more deeper, as existence take forms in you, inside existence coming in you, you should have to be more alert, more aware. As you become more aware, existence is become bigger and bigger. Which day awareness is total, fully, you give birth. Your heart is open. And heart open, and existence coming start through your heart. Then you become mother. Then not like a one baby or two baby or two children. No. You become mother of whole universe. With everybody. Because mother means heart. Heart is open. Your heart is open, you become mother of everyone. Unconditional. Anybody come, your love is flowing. Your love is going. Your heart is open. Existence flow through you. Divine flow through you. Divine energy go anybody who are coming. This is not I give to this one or I not give to this one. This love is not like that. I know him, therefore I love. I don't know him, I don't love. No, unconditional love. Just like a flower. Flower is blossoming. He stay one day, one night, 24 hours. 24 hours fragrance is going. Anybody come, very good. No coming, also flow. If he stay alone, fragrance is going. If he has many pupils, fragrance is go. One pupil, two pupil, fragrance go. His nature. Same your nature. And that is real satisfaction. Then you become mother of universe. Therefore, say before sannyas to woman ma, and then give name, change the name. You have to be mother. Mother of everyone. Mother of whole. Mother of universe. One baby you give, just normal birth, sure your heart is opening start. When you giving birth to any baby, any children, child, your heart is opening, little open, as much as. Because now you have reason to flow your love. Somebody is there. It is your part. Coming from your body. He has your blood, he has your breath. He breathing through you, he taking blood to you, he taking food through you when he inside. So he is your part. And then you love him because it is your part. It is you. Every mother loves their children because they love. This is their part. But when you born yourself, then you become mother with everything. When your heart is really open, little love you have, normal love you love your children, you love your parents, you love your husband, wife, just normal. Because you know it is my. And this is worldly love. This is mind love. This is ego love. But when your heart really is open, full heart is open, ego is finished, my is finished, nobody my, no I, no you, and love is flow. This is divine. Divine love going unconditional. Anybody take? Very good. No take? Also good. Love is go on. 24 hours. Your energy is lifting, heart is open, heart is flow your energy. Anybody taking very good? No taking very good. No matter. This is your nature. And mother become, woman become, when she become mother of everyone, mother of whole, first time, fully satisfied. No need anything now. Don't want anything. I got, I have. Even in your life, whenever you have little love, whenever you start flow the love, coming in love, you feel satisfied. Even anybody is there, very good. Just many time, if you have lover, your boy, your man, maybe he is not with you. You are alone in home. He is very far somewhere. And if you feeling love with him, remembering him, feeling love, very loving, that moment hope happened, maybe he is not here. It's okay. I feel it. My love is going. And you very satisfied. You very present. Because love makes you present. When you coming in heart, you are present. So for women, if normal, if you're giving normal birth, also okay. But you have to responsible. 20 years you are will be responsible. 20 years when till this child not become young. You have to take care him, he or she. When he stand on his feet, independent, then you are free. Then you can be free. You take care him, giving school, giving study, become young, then he go in market and earning. Then till 20 years you have to take care. And 20 years you are busy. 80%, 90% energy you are going to child. 80% energy go. So I preferring, I say to women, you should make child. No. If you want, okay. Otherwise, this 80% energy which you're going to child, if you give to you, You born yourself, newborn, newly born. First birth, parents give. Second birth, you giving to yourself. And when you giving yourself, and when he come out, this will be Buddha. This will be enlightened. Buddha is come out. But when you going to give birth to yourself, also will be very painful. Normal child you giving birth, 9 months, very alert, very aware, very many pain comes. But when you giving yourself, too much pain will happen, much more. Many time in body pain, many time emotional pain. All your emotions has to clean, all your body has to clean, body has to be pure, emotions has to be pure, mind has to be clean and pure. When this all things is clean and pure, then Buddha come out. Then existence shower. When he look, now only me. You don't want anybody, nothing else. When existence see, only you want him. Nobody, no any desires. Therefore, many people doing meditations. 3 years, 10 years, 20 years. Some lives also you go on, but not happening. Many time in question coming in you, why I did so much? Why not enlightenment happened? What I not did? How much I have to do? So I say you enlightenment will happen. Very easy. Only existence come to you when he look no anything except him. Then he come. When he see you no any desire in you, no want anything. Even in the end, you don't want him also. Then he come. Then he run. When you don't want anything, first your worldly desires will be finished. Your desire for power, desire for property, desire for relations. All desires slowly finish. Then only one desire left. Therefore, being with master is important. What master do with you? First master will happen. He say, fall love with me, be with me, be close with me. Then slowly you come closer. As you come closer to master, your other attachment, other relation is finished. Then he left only. When master only everything, no any other interest. Automatic it is happening. Because master love is true, real. And then your inner Buddha is awakening start. When you be with master, when you be with Buddha, your Buddha also come out. With whom you be, you become like that. So if you be with master, follow him, want as much as you have time, be with him, listen him, sit with him. Slowly your Buddha is coming up. Creation is happening. And as your Buddha inside come, other outer things is finishing. And then one day only Buddha is left, no any other thing, no any other desire. Like river want to go in ocean. You seen in ocean so many rivers are coming. Every river comes. Then you melt. Then your mind, your ego go in ocean, you become the ocean. River finish, ocean start. Man finish, Buddha start. Ego finish, existence start. Then you become existence. So this is real creation. And child, you gave birth so many times. It is not first time. Many life you have. Many time you did it. It is not new. But this is giving birth to Buddha. This is first time. First will happen. This you never had. Never did. When you have Buddha, you finish. Then you not come back. Then you become ocean. Become sky. Go in ocean. And this is real birth. But if you have desire to give birth to children, be a mother, also okay. Sometime happened. Suddenly, when you have birth, giving birth to child, suddenly this woman's excited energy, rajas energy, become cool. Something you did, something you create, and very big, much coolness come. After when you become mother, suddenly your all this excitement, hyper energy, much doing energy, it is going much cooler because you created creation. You creation something. You give. And if you creation yourself, your all doing, all doer, all doing energy will be finished. Here Buddha come, doer finish. Existence come, ego gone. And till you not giving birth to yourself, you will be not fully satisfied. Satisfaction only when you give birth to yourself. Therefore you came here. But many things also is happening. You can do this, you can do that, you can do that. Just play, enjoy. Each game. Okay, play this game, play this game, play this game. Be a mother, be a father, be a husband, be a wife, be a children, be a lover. All is game. Be a master, also game. If you ask me, I just play the game. Role. Existence gave me this role. Go and play. Be a master. Okay. Somebody be a manager. Somebody be politics. Somebody be businessman. So many work. Many job. This is also job. But as I sitting here, you look me as a master, I also behave as a master. Fully. Talk with you, giving suggestions, answers, direction, everything like a master. But inside I know I'm nothing. Nobody is there. Just take a role. Play the game. Go out. Satsang finish. Nobody is there. I go in my family, my home, my wife. I roll like I am husband. Very good husband. Every day I call her, how you, what problem, anything, not fully. My daughter, talk to her, okay, you are okay, not okay, what you want, what you need. Very take care, fully. Whenever, wherever I have to be father, father. As to husband, husband. When I go with my parents, become like a child. When I come with you to disciples, become master. But inside, nothing. Nobody is there. I go in my room, close, nobody there. Close eyes, nothing. No any master, no any husband, no any father, no anybody. Because really, nothing. But when open eyes, has to play some game, play some roles. So you have also has to understand. You came here to play the role. And if you know I'm the player, I'm not husband, I'm not wife, okay, play. Like you see sometime movies, one man, he become lover, then he married, he become husband, then somebody coming, he fighting with them, and playing many roles in same movie, one movie. And he play very good. And if he play very good, then everybody say, ah, very good movie. Movie is very good. And can happen, one man, one woman, like one actor, one actress, in one movie, they are husband, wife. Second movie come, they are brother, sister. Third movie come, they are son and mother. Every movie different, different. Same people, same person, but they play different, different. Same you had also. Maybe you have now wife. Maybe last life, she is your sister. More last past life, sometimes she is your mother. Sometimes you are father. Now meeting as a husband, wife. Sometimes you are fighter with each other, enemy. Many roles you did. But these all roles you don't remember. And therefore you say, ah, she is my wife. She is my child. But inside, you are not. You are not child, no mother, no father. You are nothing. Which day you know, then you will be with them, no problem. Be in family, even more better, much, much better. When I meditate, before enlightenment, I have wife, I have family, I always want to run away. I don't want. Where is run away? Don't want to involve because I thinking he is my father, he is my mother. I don't know who I am yet. So always keep aware. Nobody come in me. Make distance, keeping distance. Should not be so attached. Not has to be attached. Then one day enlightenment happened. Even just before enlightenment, I left the house. I say, I never come back. Finish. I don't want anybody. I go in forest. I don't want any family, any relation. For what? They are not me. Nobody is my hair. And I don't want to be attached. I want to get myself. I run away. Then happened it. And as happened, then I said, where to go? Go back to home. Why not? They are good, they take my care, good food get. Home food always good. same room, same house, no looking much, same work. Then I straight first thing I went back in my home. Then no problem. Then don't want to run away because everybody is me. They have to why to run away? Existence give me, make this woman with me, make this father with me, make this child with me. Some reason, some karma. Okay. Has to be with them. No problem then. But inside I know who I am. And then very good. Very good, take care. Some people you been now in Rishikesh. We have celebration New Year. There my much family came. 15 people. My brother's family, my parents, my sister family, my family, everybody, 15 people. And they looked at me as a normal man. Even sometimes they sitting in satsang, crying, very different happened. That moment they feeling. But again, ah, even my mother, much cry, much feel devotion. But when she come, see me, my son. Okay, whatever you feel is right. So, and I behave with them like that, normally. As I'm husband, I'm father, I'm child, I'm brother. So behave with them like that. And I enjoy this game also. Very enjoy. Because I want to enjoy every play. Somewhere brother, somewhere master, somewhere father, somewhere husband. So why not enjoy? Enjoy every game. Many games. But inside, no. And this, as I go, be alone, go in my room, rest, finish. Finish everybody. No father, no husband, no brother, no child, nothing. No son. Everybody finished. And this is real. This is right. If you know, then you can play every game. And your life, really, your life is like a movie. You have to play many games. But inside, you know, you are not this, you are not that. Then you will be not serious also. Then you enjoy every game. Where whatever existence play, give, okay, play this, you are good player, best player. So, like this. So, if you want to give birth, very good. Be a mother. Now existence want to come through you in human body, girl or boy. And don't think this is your property. Many times parents using like child is their property. Do this, do that, very control. Cannot go here, cannot go there. They cannot go without whatever they want. No. Take care of love with love. Very good opportunity you can love to somebody. And to children, love is very easy. They don't have mind yet. No mind, no ego. So very easy. Love. With children, very easy happen. If you're going in train or sitting in restaurant, suddenly 2 years, 3 years, child come. Everybody play, start with him. He can go to everyone, to this man, to this person, to that person. Because he don't have my and you. As his mind will be developed, slowly, slowly his ego come. And when his ego come, then he has barrier, wall. No, I cannot go here. I cannot do love to. Children love to everybody. Because they don't think. They can smile everybody, you then can play with them. Egoless. Not ego yet. And wherever no ego, you can feel love. Love only happen, not happen because ego. If very ego, somebody very ego, you just sitting in restaurant, looking this man, just little smile, he very ego is. Why he smiling? Even again you smile second time, he just turn the face. Third time, then he say, why you smile? Or what? Who you are? But if he no have ego, he reply also. Smile. Many times. People cannot take also love easily. Cannot take. Somebody just looking very loving, smiling. No. Very difficult. Cannot take. Even if you more smile, then thinking, something wrong. He want to use me. What he want, or why he smiling all the time. But when you in loving mood, everybody is good. Everybody okay. When you too much love, open to everybody. As your love is going bigger, you open to more. When your love is full, heart is open total, love with everybody. Anybody who come. Who is coming in front of you is existence. Is you. As when mother become feeling my child. This is my child. When you become universe mother, you feel everybody in you. And really, your heart become like sky. And everybody in sky. And this is your destiny. This thing you have to be like this. So if you want normal birth to get experience, some reason to share your love, some creativity, also okay, good. Somebody go through this, and then after, with child your love is developed, can be developed, much developed. Much problems also will come, but love also will be developed. Or somebody just go on, develop on, also right. But who giving birth to child, or them be responsible 20 years, you are not, no more free. You cannot just give birth and give child to somebody or throw somewhere. No. You have to take care of him. You have to look him. And if you looking very loving, very caring, sure, when you become bigger, he become bigger, you become old, he can take care of you. If you give love, love will come back. But mother giving love to child, not for this he give me back. Just happened. This is reason. His heart is open. So woman become fulfilled in one region when he giving birth to child. Big part you're satisfied. But when you giving birth to Buddha, to yourself, then totally satisfied. So both way, how you feel, your motherhood come. Your heart is opening. Yes.
Dr. Sandashi, before you talked about the roles with Paycheck, son, father. But what happens if your mother or your wife starts telling you do this, do that all the time, start fighting with you? Do you have to obey or how to play? You can still play the role.
First thing in relationship, understand it happen. If you have relationship, she feel you are my man, my woman. Sure, do this. You cannot go here. Why you lie with me? Why you hide anything with me? It is normal. Will be. And if you play, you know you are playing, play the roles. You will be go with it. Enjoy. Totally you will enjoy. Inside, if inside you know. But as this is nature of relationship. If you in relationship, it will happen. Sometime angry, sometime jealousy, attachment, everything will come. But you should be aware. And if you are aware, you will play very easy. Okay. Let her to she be angry, even you can be angry sometime. Why not? Okay, angry. Why not you doing? But inside you know I'm not. That only this. Then you can play. Then you will be not problem, not tension, not become serious. She become jealous. She fighting. She screaming. Okay. And you know inside it is normal. Will be normal. But if you know, then game. Then you enjoy the game. Then you also play game fully. You play the role. You can go with it. You become like totally like a husband. Yes, I am very husband. She say you not look here. You say you also not look here. You cannot look any woman. He say okay. You cannot see any man. But inside you know. But mostly happen you forget and you become husband. Inside you not remember you are not the husband. Only and this thing only can happen when you know yourself. Before very difficult. Before mind want to be something. What is mind? Mind wants somewhere. If anybody say yeah you are my husband, okay I am husband. You are my lover, yes I am lover. You are my father, yes I am father. And forget that you are playing the role because you don't know your reality. When you know your reality, then okay. Father, play role father, play role brother, play role everything. But inside, even you will be excited, sometimes relative, sometimes angry, sometimes loving, everything do. But inside. But this thing only play will you know will happen only when you know yourself. Which day you know who you are, then everything is game. Then whole world, whole things, whole life is game. You came to play here. Existence end, okay. Play. Like a movie. You see 3 hours movie and your movie 60 years, 70 years, many people coming in your life with somebody you do like this, somebody you like that, somebody very friend, somebody enemy, somebody with fighting, somebody with very loving, somebody with normal, many roles you have. So, but inside if you know, only you know when you know yourself, then this everything will begin, everything play. Then no serious, no nothing is happening, nobody hurt, nobody hit, no any hurt is happening, nobody hitting is happening. Anybody say, even in normal life, if you have wife, one day she say, you are the best, you are gorgeous, you are my God, you are so loving. And evening she say, I don't want to see you. You are the worst. Why my life I put with you? My life is hell. Why I choose you? Same day, morning like this, evening like this. Even 2 hours after. Before she said, wow, so we can be whole life together. No whole life, we live 7 life. I promise. We will live 7 life, next 7 life we will be come together. I want same you man, same you woman. And something happened. After 1 hour, I don't want to see you. I hate you. I don't like you. What happened? Just 1 hour, 2 hours after. Same promises, same words finished. But it's a game. If you know, and this is also, if you be with somebody, if you have relation, it will happen both. Sometimes hate, sometimes love. Sometimes fight, sometimes love. Both things will happen. Only love, no. If you want we only love, always love, never. No possible. Never possible. Because negativity come where to put. And if she love you, why she hate others? If she become angry, you say be angry to others. Why? You never see go be love to others. And she had love, then you say love me. Then you don't say, oh, go love to that man. Never say. No any man say, no any woman say, go and love to others. Love me. But when anger to others. But it is not possible. If she give love you, she will angry with you. Where she go anger. And it is game. It is happening. This is nature. If you are in relation, it will happen. Or if you don't want these things, then no, don't be in relation. Finish. Be alone. Then no problem. Then no love also come. Then nobody with you when you feeling want to touch, want to love, cannot do. Nobody is there, alone. You in room, alone. Where to whom you hug, to whom you love, nobody there. So this is excuse to bring your love, to bring your emotions. In relation, you are excused to each other. Pushing button, sometimes love coming, sometimes hate coming, sometimes anger come. And who are nearer, you put anger to that one. To whom you love much, you anger to this much. But inside is game. With me also you all have. Many times you love. Too much love. I love you. I love you. Bow down. I not take. I not taking love. I know tomorrow you will be fighting, angry with me. So I not take anger also. Or I have to take both also. So I am neutral. Yes. Oh, like a sky. Nothing. Cold winds coming, hot winds coming, love winds coming, anger winds coming. Neutral. Witness. Yes. Because this is you. Only when you in love, your love energy comes. When you anger, your negative energy comes. And it will happen to everyone. It is not your negativity will not come. Negativity will come with sure. Otherwise, what the work? If negativity not come out, no meaning. Negativity will come and this negativity will be positive. This anger will be love. This hate will be love. That is good. So if you know, when you know yourself, then everything will be game. Then you enjoy. Then you know serious, whatever is happening. Perfect. But before you don't know yourself, you will be serious about every game. And you came here to play this game. Existence sent, play. This world, Krishna says, this is Leela. Leela means game. Play. Playful. Play whatever, wherever existence take you, do this, okay, do that, okay. Be here, okay. Be with this one, be not with this one. Wherever. Go. Then your living is moment to moment. Every moment, wherever go, enjoy. Everything is game, Leela. No need to be serious. No need to get anything, no need to lose anything. You came empty hand, when you want, nothing in your hand. No anything. When you go empty hand. Nothing, you cannot take anything. Whatever is here, you gain, you make this, you make that, enjoy it. Make any relation, make any friends, make any money, make any property, enjoy. But remember, this is far here. I cannot take anything. Just existence provide me. I have to enjoy this thing. Enjoy anybody, enjoy anything, whatever comes. Wherever existence say, I have to do this, I have to go here, I have to be here. Be there, do that. Then everything is game. And life going very fast. If you are not serious, time going quick. Very fast go. You don't know. Day after day, going on. When you are serious, when you are sad, then time is very big. Then looks like, oh, I have to live more, 20 years more like this, or 30 years more. It's too much. Even next day is very big things. Same day, if you're in bad mood, oh, one day again I have to be. But if you're joyful, don't know when time is gone. Day after day gone. Yesterday I talking, almost 2 weeks I'm here. Satsang is happening. But time going fast. Don't know. 2 weeks finish. 2 more weeks also will finish. Goa finish. Then go to Rishikesh. Start in Rishikesh. So my life like this, 30 years, same work, same things, everyday satsang, same talking, not so much new things talking, similar, similar. But enjoy, no problem. Who listening me, they know this I listen many times. No any new things. Who listen me 1 year, who listen me 10 years, who listen me 20 years, same. Little bit different happened. But words is very few words. Words has not so many things. Same subject, same questions, very similar answer. Sometimes people ask you, not boring? Same thing every day. Come, sit, talk. Say, I'm not boring. I enjoy. Otherwise, if you see boring, so boring whole life should be boring. Every day same food, same sleep, wake up, do same work. But if you live moment to moment, what you did before, finish, forget. What will happen, you don't know. You enjoy this moment. Every day same people I meeting, every day same uh, job has, same food has, but enjoy. Whenever I eat it, very enjoy. Now, new. Whenever meeting, I come to you, I never see, I meet like first. And this is it. When you living in center, whatever you do, you feel like a first time. This I say, when you meditate, you have wife, you have lovers, husband, man, you in your home doing meditation, go deep, deep, deep. Which day your meditation very deep, too deep, touch the center. And open eyes, not recognize where you are. Okay, this is my room, this is my bed, my chair. Oh, okay. Then suddenly one woman come, enter in your room. So beautiful woman. Wow, who you are? Where from you coming? What your name? Say, oh, I'm your wife. I've been with you 30 years together. But when you touch center, you can forget her. Because when you go in center, your eyes is new, full of love, newly, as you see first time looking the world. First time you look, because mind no. When you looking anything with without mind, everything is first time, new, fresh. Meditation makes you. If a meditation you not have, you go with mind. After job, come back in home, has to go in home, where to go? Same woman, same house. I have to go looking same woman, looking same words. She's screaming this, that, complain this, complain that. But if you center, you will enjoy her complain also. First time she complaining. First time she loving. First time looking. If you meet one woman in beginning first, sometimes she love. Even she complain also. Why you not coming in time? I'm waiting here. Why you call me? You enjoy that. She complained. She liked me. But after a few years, she says same. I'm waiting. I'm in home. Why you so late? Say, oh, you always complain. Always complain. Never go away from it. So it's life become right, good, looking newly, fresh, everything when you come to your center. When from center you come out, everything. Which day you do meditation in your home or somewhere and you not recognize your wife, understand you are very centered, fully centered. A wife you cannot forget. Impossible. Wife always in head. You sleep, you work, you go here, you go there. Wife, husband always there. Never forget. So, which day you forget, then you really love her. Very, very much love her. Because whenever you see anybody first time, looks like only love. You cannot be angry first time. You cannot be scream. You have to be love. Feel loving. So go in center. Then everything is playful. Enjoy. Then you enjoy. So, okay. Now, 2 weeks more we are here. 15 February we have celebration. Sandarshi birthday. Celebrate. That day we have before celebration, we have in evening sannyas. Who want to take sannyas, they give name. They give name to Sevika. Sevika, where is Sevika? Yeah. So who want take sannyas, new people, they give name. Then we see who get sannyas. For sannyas is first thing you have to be meditative. You have to be promise yourself every day you will meditation one. One meditation minimum. If you cannot do it, no need. No need to meditate. Sannyas. First you meditate. And if you decide, yes, I'm taking, I want sannyas. Then second thing, your name can be changed. Old is finished, new start. Old life, whatever you are, whatever your personality, whatever your name, finish. Now you have new name, sannyas name, and you have to go with it. In office, in market, you can use your old name, but they don't understand. If you can use your name, new is very better, but you have many questions. Why this name? Why Alexei is finished and why Virat is coming? Why? What is new name? You have to explain many things. But if you want it, also good. Maybe then somebody want also. Interested, will be interested. And third thing, when you get sannyas, you have to wear white cloth that time. Shower, come with shower and white cloth. And you get the mala with the master's picture. And then you go with it. Then your life is different. Different life. Life will be same you work, same you live, same you eat, but inside something is changed. Your goal is different. Now your goal is different, then your goal will be different. Now before you want worldly things, then your interest in inner world. disappearment in consciousness, and then you go with it. And then 15th February we have this sannyas and then celebration. Who want to do any things there that day, any play, any game, any show, I will enjoy, everybody enjoy who will do is here. And then 16 will be last satsang here, morning, next day, and then I go and meet you in Rishikesh. Who are here in India, they can come. And there will be fourth step has from 3rd March, 3rd to 9. Fourth step, who has to do fourth step, they will come anyhow. And 13th night starts Satori group. So who want to do Satori group, they also give name to Saraswati, and then we see how many people want Satori. So Satori group also will happen 1 week. So every time there are something satsang every day, and like here, and some groups. And there I making our ashram just next building and one more building by land. So for ashram, if anybody who want to give donation, because land cannot come, showering cannot happen. Nobody come and just say, okay, land. So we have to buy, we have to make building. So who like to give donation for it also can give for ashram as much as you want. And ashram is everybody's. Ashram is not happen like one person or two person. Ashram for everyone. Ashram means everybody for. And everybody make it and then happen it. So who like, they can open your heart as much as give donation also. Come to Rishikesh also. Rishikesh also very good place. Ganga river is there. Little mountains. Little cold. Colder, much colder than here. Yesterday was hot, I feel in here. Yesterday. First day, very hot feel yesterday. So now, so it's only more hot will come. Even in news has more cold coming again in down. So if cold coming in down, so here also little bit cold comes. But hot start. So okay, now we finish and put the mantra.